Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn that lemongrass bush into mulch. So let's get started. First of all, I had to trim all the leaves from the top. The sickle makes the job really easy. If you haven't seen my video on the sickle, you can go see it. I have the link down below. So basically I'm giving it a haircut first. There you have it. So the leaves can be used as mulch, and the same with the trunks, or whatever you call the roots. Now I have to dig it out, and then I chop it all up like that. The roots are not that deep, so I do go around. Turn the water off. Don't want to cut the tube anyway. So now I have to go through the other side. There you go. Right there. Let's split it in pieces. You can see when it gets so dense, the roots grows taller, and you look at this. That's just a sign that it's getting old and needs to be removed, replanted. Also, you look at all these brown leaves. That's also a sign of aging. And what I do here, I have a chopping block, and I just cut it all out. And that's going to be my mulch. As you can see, it's all mulch now. I just need to spread it to wherever I want. I have 4 new planted papaya plants. So this is one of them. I put some mulch around it. And here's another one. And then here's another one. And then the last one is in the shade. I planted about 3 days ago. Hopefully they'll do well. So how's that's done, guys? I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.